Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by enabling the gesture so it works system-wide. Open Settings, go straight to System Gestures, and flip on Circle to search. You must grant microphone and location permissions when prompted. This lets the feature identify audio and place context. Once done, make sure the Google app is allowed to display over other apps and run in background. This avoids interruptions when you draw the circle. Now you're ready for the first live test. Using a simple image or screen, you perform the gesture by drawing a circle on the screen around the item you want to identify. Open any app or the home screen, then with a steady finger, trace a closed loop around text, an image, or an object on screen. The system captures the area and sends it to Google for recognition. Once you release, results appear in a panel. You'll see image matches, links, and actions. If results lag, retry with a tighter circle or clearer contrast for faster recognition. You finish by interacting with the results. Tap cards to open pages, copy text, or launch suggested actions. Use the panel's crop or text selection tools to refine the capture if the initial circle included extras. If circle to search fails, first check permissions and background access, then update the Google app and system software. If issues persist, restart the phone and retry. A quick reboot often clears camera or gesture recognition hangs. One key tip: ensure good lighting and contrast for visual searches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.